Hey, welcome to my listing at 311 First Street South here in the town of Vulcan. This 876 square foot bungalow was built in 1921. This house has lots of character. Say 876 square feet in size. It's got 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Has some nice renovations done, but it's also got the cool features of a house that's almost 100 years old. Here we are inside. Take a look at this, all the woodwork in here. Now we've got hardwood floors. Now this is the living room area. You see there's built-in cupboards between the living room and dining room. Sorry, I should say built-in cabinets. So off to the left here, got the first bedroom. I like the hardwood floors. Big windows. And there's a closet there. And into the dining area. Off to the left. Once again, there's some beautiful built-in cabinetry here. And into the bathroom. See, the bathroom's been renovated. There's low flow toilet here. Of course, the tub, tub surround. It's been renovated, but it still has that classic feel to it. And on the left here, we'll go to the second bedroom. Yeah, the hardwood floors, they got the creak to them. So this is the second bedroom. And the closets were, built for the size of the day. They're not huge, but they're still decent size. And then off into the kitchen. Decent number of cabinets here. Laminate countertops. Put the backsplash in. Comes with the stove, the fridge, dishwasher. Dishwasher hasn't even been used yet. Still got the manual inside there. So all these appliances are included. And this is the laundry room, stackable washer and dryer. And it's also the back entrance. Out the back, there's a deck here, and there's parking for vehicles in the back. And garden shed is included as well. Take you back inside. So like I say, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. It's 876 square feet in size. And the taxes last year, well, for 2020, are $1,189. And there also is a basement here. Stairs are a little steep. We'll take you down. Basement's basically for storage. I mean, there's utility room around the corner here. The furnace is older. You'll see the electrical panel. It is a 100 amp service, so that's kind of a bonus on these older houses. So the electrical panel's been updated. It's a big old furnace. Still working fine though. Utility room. Now I'm about 6'1". The ceiling's low. So like I say, this is more for storage, maybe a kid's playroom. Down here, there's no real windows looking outside. There's the water meter. There we go. Now back upstairs in the living room, just to review, this property is listed at $94,900. Now, when you take, even with 5% down and our low interest rates, this is certainly a more affordable opportunity for somebody who's currently renting. You could get a mortgage payment for less than what you're paying for rent. Or this could be an investment property for somebody. With our rental rates near zero in Vulcan right now, it might be a good time to invest. Or for someone who's just looking to downsize, little 2-bedroom house, I think this is a cute place with lots of character. One thing to note, I don't think there's any telephone landline in here. Just wanted to bring that up. I mean, most people have cell phones and stuff anyways now, but just letting you know. So if you have any questions about this property, please visit our website at magnusonrealty.com or give me a call on my cell at 403-633-2222. That's 403-633-2222. Hope everyone's stays safe, stays healthy, and of course, live long and prosper.